Let's be honest, most of these should have been crushed years ago, but we're looking at them anyway. I found a 1958 Biscayne for $500. It's basically a rolling skeleton with a title. We've also got a '68 Dodge Dart that someone literally painted with a house brush, and a $600 Ford F250 that's so rough, someone tried to steal it and gave up halfway through. If you're looking for a project that'll make your neighbors hate you, you're in the right place. Let's look at the metal. 1968 Dodge Dart. This one has Arizona Sun written all over it. It's covered in house paint and bruises, and the seller has owned it for 20 years. It's been sitting forever. But here's the kicker. The Slant 6 was totally restored, and the 904 Trans was rebuilt 44,000 miles ago. It's got disc brakes and a manual steering box. It's a donor car, plain and simple. Bring a trailer, strip the mechanicals, and put them in something that doesn't look like a shed. '66 Cadillac Sedan Deville, a massive blue land yacht. It runs, it moves, but only in reverse. The forward gears are gone. It's a bill of sale only deal, and the seller is clearly tired of tire kickers. If you have a spare trans and a lot of driveway space, it's a lot of Cadillac for under $2,000. '72 Ford F250 Sport Custom. This is a Sport Custom with a 360 V8. It runs, but the brakes are non-existent. There's rust in the bed corners and cab mounts, standard Ford stuff for this era. It's been sitting for a year and needs a serious bath. For $1,100, it's a solid foundation if you know how to wield a welder and a wrench. '79 Ford F-150 4WD. $1,000 for a running 4WD Ford. That's it. That's the tweet. It's got 200,000 miles and a 6-cylinder, but finding a running '79 4WD for $1,000 is like finding a unicorn in a haystack. It's green, it's beat up, and it's perfect. '71 Ford Pinto, the classic Pinto. This one is actually a 2-owner car with a straight body. The 2.0-liter runs, but the automatic trans slips once it gets warm. Interesting part, it has collector plates, meaning you never pay for tabs again. It's a weird, small-scale project that's actually worth saving. '6 1967 Ford F250. This is the rough around the edges special. $600 gets you a 3/4-ton truck with the 351 or 400 Cleveland. Someone tried to steal it, so the ignition is trashed. It hasn't run since 2015, and the floorboards are airy to say the least. But at $600 with the clean title, you can't even buy a good mountain bike for that anymore. '7 1979 Jeep DJ, Postal Jeep. Right-hand drive, 4-cylinder, runs and drives great. These things are indestructible and quirky as hell. If you want to deliver mail or just confuse people at the drive-thru, this is your $1,500 solution. 8. 1973 Plymouth Satellite, a stalled project that's more rust than car at this point. It's a four-door, complete, but the master cylinder is gone. It's got a 318 with a 68 340 intake. Whether it's a donor for your two-door build or a demolition derby candidate, it's $800 of Mopar history. 9. 1958 Chevy Biscayne. This is the definition of project. It's $500, it's a 1958 Biscayne, it's parts only, and the title situation is, let's call it vintage. It's a skeleton, but for $500, it's a cool piece of American iron to have in the yard. Ten. 1960 Studebaker Lark, a two-door V8 Studebaker. It's been sitting for a few years and needs work to be road legal again, but it's complete. These Larks have a cult following for a reason. They're simple, light, and look great restored. That's the dirt for this week. 10 projects that range from barely running to barely a car. Let me know which one you'd risk your marriage for in the comments. I'll see you on the next one.